What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry. Welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. That is right, guys. In today's video, I'm super excited because we are back talking about one of these famous OTC fun to watch stocks. That's right, I got you right there. Fun to watch, not what you're thinking. But anyway, guys, super excited about this one, man. We have talked about this stock numerous times on the channel, and I'm going to show you the dates that we talked about them, the price points that they were at when I suggested it, and where it's sitting at today, and what am I looking to do with this stock. It has phenomenal news, man. It just keeps getting better and better news. It is a gamble because it's on the OTC and it is dirt cheap. But, you could throw a little bit of spare change in this one, and maybe it'll pay off, man. We're all looking for that next humble TSNP, man, but that's not the one we're talking about. So, guys, real quick, I just started a Patreon group. It should be down in the description, guys. $5 a month. I can post all of the stocks that I can't get on here to do videos on, and we can communicate on the Patreon group and tell each other about great stocks and why we like them. I can be keeping a lot of great updates on there. So, guys, hope you all be excited to join that, man. I think there's going to be a lot of great plays that I don't do videos on, that I have great information on and can put in there. So, guys, also, first link down below, Weeble. Use that link and deposit $100. Get yourself some free stock. Help your portfolio grow. So, guys, let's get to the video, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, and yes, we're going to talk about the HCMC, and as you see, right when you get on their webpage, there is an announcement right up top. February 8th, 2021, HCMC announces a sale of $5 million of preferred stock, convertible into common stock initially at 150% premium to company's most recent closing post. Now, guys, I think that is pretty phenomenal that they did a stock offering, but they charged it higher price than what it was currently trading at. So that's not them shortchanging the stock, guys. That means they were selling it at a premium over the current stock price because they wanted to raise money, but they wanted to get a premium on it. So I do really think that's a great, idea and a great plan on raising some cash. Now, before we get in and talk about more of this company, there is a lot of great information. I got other videos on it, and that is what we're going to get in here. So let's go take a little history rewind on the previous videos that I did on this, and let's see what those price points were and where they're at today, and then we'll get back into it. All right, guys, and here is the first video I did. As you see, this video was posted on January 29th, 2021. This video was titled 3 penny stocks I'm buying, and one is suing a NYSE company. Huge profits if they win. Guys, when I did this video, this is about a little over 2 weeks ago, this stock was 0.0008. So, wow, like an eighth, like 0.0008. That is nuts. That video got 1,200 views, so congrats to anyone that, got in on this. As you can see here, people commenting down here. They also, saying they're loving it right here. Caitlin heard about this one, was buying it that morning. That was 2 weeks ago. So, project here saying HCMC has huge potential. Guys, this here is one that has really taken off. There's a lot of people following it. So let's go to the next video I did. So there's your price point on that one, January 29th. Guys, February the 1st, 2 days later, you can see I did a video and I did it on Weeble. That way we can get a little promo for Weeble going on. Guys, the stock price was over double. It was about 125% increase. As you can see there, stock price went from, now it's up to 0.0018. So 0.0016 was a complete 100% double. We got 2 basis points on that. So about 120% increase 2 days from that video. If we fast forward here, what was the current stock price? On that video there, by the way, was HCMC penny stock lawsuit, and it was up 125% today. That video got almost 1,200 views at 1,180 views. So where are we at today? 0.0042. Guys, it is over again, another 125-40% from that point. The first video was 0.0008. Then we went to 0.0018, and now we're 0.0042. So this thing has been on a little bit of a ride. As you can see, this thing was up here pretty good, man. This thing was up to basically 0.59, so it has been down now about 14% on the day as of Friday. So leading into this week could be a great buying opportunity. I think I may throw another, little bit in this, grab some. And this is just one we're kind of hanging on to, guys, to see if they get that lawsuit against Philip Morris. That's going to be huge. They can win that lawsuit. That is going to be truly amazing. So let's get in here now and talk about the stock and why we're truly loving guys, and here is an article that I think is a good, quick read. This was published on January 27th. Healthier Choices Management News, HCMC stock skyrockets amid lawsuit speculation. And right here it is. Healthier Choices Management is suing Philip Morris International on the New York Stock Exchange under ticker symbol PM. The lawsuit was originally filed back in November 2020, but is picking up steam again. So, this is the big news, guys. It says the law alleges that PM infringed on the patent I7 with its IQOS tobacco vapor product. So, this is the big news, guys. If they can win this lawsuit on that company, they're going to be getting a boatload of money in, and they're going to be able to do a lot with that. So, this is very interesting. This is why this is getting hyped up. This small cap company has a chance of getting tons of cash for the balance sheet that they could use either to pay down debt or they could use to invest in, building out their brand or buying up other companies to acquire them. So, real quick rundown. What is going on with this company? Here's something that I noticed. When I was on this website before, they didn't have this one over here. HCMC Intellectual Property Holdings. And it has here that recently, the company formed a wholly owned subsidiary, HCMC Intellectual Property Holdings, LLC, to hold and market its intellectual property assets. This subsidiary will own all of the patents, trademarks, and other intellectual properties of HCMC and will be used to utilize the company's attempt to monetize its intellectual property. That there is amazing, guys. There is a link right here you can click. If you go to their website, which is just right up here, Healthier CMC will get you to this website. And here is a couple rundown of what else they have. They have the Healthy Choice Markets. They have, 18,000 square foot grocery store serving the Fort Myers, 3 Paradise Health and Nutrition locations. That's pretty cool and all. It's really small. That is not why people is excited about this one. It is going to be the patents and the lawsuit on Philip Morris. They also do have the vape store with 9 vape stores across the Southeast United States. So that is pretty cool that they do have these other businesses here. And now they're looking to get more into holding up with the patents. And there is a new article that was just published today I wanted to bring you by OwnSnap. So it says here, Healthier Choice Management Corp, HCMC, continues to move up on the short squeeze. Healthier Choice Management Corp was one of the stocks that emerged as a notable gainer this past week. Following a key announcement from the company on Monday, the stock rallied as high as 130% over the course of the past week. The company announced that it raised $5 million in the form of fresh equity capital after it sold some of its preferred Series D shares. The shares in question were sold to institutional investors. It has also emerged that the Series D preferred stock can be converted to common stock at the conversion price of 0.0024. The conversion price reflects the premium of 150% from the closing price of the stock from last Friday. So, like I said, from last Friday's price, they charged them 150% increase. So they bought it at the current price that it's actually trading at here today. That's about half where it's at, I'm sorry. 0.0048, I believe it was there where it was at today. The magnitude of the gains made by this stock last week may bring in onto the radars of many investors of this week. Investors could do well. Keep an eye on the stock over the coming days. So that is where we're at, guys. This is a very, very interesting one. I'm truly excited about it. I think here, this is a good read on that one. Along here with this, has a lot of the other information on here, but I just kind of the one to basically cover the main stuff that was on that article. And I think this is one that I'm excited about. Maybe dipping a little bit more money into. Now, like I said, I do own shares of this. This is not sponsored. This is just me covering this company. And, I love covering these OTC penny plays. I got huge percentage gains on them, but I need to start getting more money in them so that way I start reflecting the money gains, not just the percentage gains. So that's what we're trying to do here. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. And guys, don't forget, like I said, down below will be the Webull link and the Patreon group. $5 a month, man. We can get in there and start talking about these OTC plays. Hard to get in there and make videos on every single one of them. There's so many we all can talk about as a community together. So guys, I will catch y'all in the next video. And remember to buy the OTC because they're fun to watch. That's right, guys. OTC is fun to watch. So guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go.